vegan kitchen. Today we're going to be making stuffed zucchini boats. This meal is perfect for any lunch, maybe even dinner. It's super quick, it's easy, the zucchinis are raw so you don't have to cook a single thing. You should be able to make this meal in less than 20 minutes. If you want to make it even faster, you can cut down the time by, instead of chopping up and making your own basically homemade mango salsa, you can just buy one pre-made. It's at the grocery stores where the tomato, tomatillo sauces, usually by the hummus or different kinds of spreads. I love making things like raw foods. It feels a lot lighter, you'll notice, than usually when you bake them. Zucchini actually has way more nutrients if you eat them raw. You didn't know that? This chickpea salad, it's kind of like a tuna salad, so super easy. It's cold. Again, you can pre-make this. You can leave it in the fridge. When you're ready to eat one, take a zucchini, cut it in half, scoop out the inside, add the chickpea salad, you're done. One thing I added to this recipe that I think really adds the extra kick to it, so to say, are these bacon bits. So they're from the Frontier Co-op. They're super tasty. They have kind of this hickory smoked flavor. So they add this perfect, smoky, kind of bacony, crunchy little taste to the chickpea salad. It's really good. I bought mine at Whole Foods. If you don't have a Whole Foods near you, or they probably don't sell this in all the grocery stores, I'll link down below their website. And it costs $5.49, I believe, on their site. So I'll link it below if you're interested in buying these. Again, it's delicious. You can add it to a sandwich, to a salad, to a bowl, to avocado, to anything. All right, so let's go watch what you're really here for. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you found it really easy and quick to make. If you don't like zucchini or you don't like the flavor, it can be a little thick for some people, even though it's pretty much light. You can swap it out for cucumber, you can swap it out maybe for celery, and if you're feeling like you need the carbs, just add some toast. It's really good as a sandwich. Let me know if there are any other recipes you'd like me to explore and share with you all. Just comment down below. I hope you loved this video. If you enjoyed watching and you want to watch some more, hit subscribe down below. You'll see that little red box, and make sure you hit the bell. As always, if you want to connect with me on Instagram, the details are just down below. Thanks so much for watching. Adios!